Hey everybody, Elle Ingalls here with Pressure-Free Living, and I've got Veenu Keller here. She's going to be one of the speakers on the parenting conference on June 4th. And Veenu, thanks so much for popping on here. I want them to just see you and have a little preview of you.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much for putting on this parent summit. It's what we as parents need. So I'm a mom of 6 kids of my own. I've been working with families for over 23 years now, helping families and children close the gap of communication, connectiveness, unity, harmony, and peace in their homes. And so some of the things that I'll be talking about during my segment is how do you get your kids to feel open, feel safe, and have trust and communication with you, sharing just a couple tips of what does curious, not critical mean, and how can you talk with your kids without blaming and shaming. Some of these tips that I'm going to be talking to you about, if you implement them right away, you could already start to see a change in the way that you and your children communicate.
I love it so much, Veenu. We're going to have a blast because you and I have been having a blast for hours. So thanks, everybody. We hope to see you at the parenting conference.
Bye.
Oops.